guys, I hope you're doing awesome right there, and this is an amazing session for your people and the most demanding topics that sir please make important question, the important topics, the expected question, the expected topics which is generally which will be coming in the semester 1 examination, right? So here are the do and die topics of the physics. Do and die topics of the physics means the topic which you cannot scroll, the topic which you have to give, it's a compulsion for everyone, which you have to give a lots of importance to the certain topics, as well as if you will give a lots of importance to the certain topic, definitely you people can score 40 out of 40 with a guarantee. No one can cut a single marks. That doesn't mean you will be getting all the cover, you will be looking after all the topics, but you won't read. But you have to practice it, but you have to make yourself strong, and you have to give a lots of priority, a lots of importance to the particular topics. As well as I will be announcing the first giveaway winner, the first winner of the Oswaal sample question paper bank, right? So, and also I will be taking out his name. I will be announcing in the middle of the video as well as the end of the video. So do not go anywhere. So let the strategy number 1 begin. As you know very well, 7 chapters are going to come, in which chapter 1 2 3 is your first unit, light is a unit, as well as spectrum, as well as sound also is going to come. So the most important you have to give, that is the first, as I say always, the access question, example, PYQ. I will be talking about a PYQ later on, but first, and people try to look after the video with a pen and paper. Without pen and paper you should not watch the video. Take it out the pen and paper, sit with the pen and paper, and you just start looking after the videos, right? So the very important chapter, that is all about a force. As you know very well, force is derived into two: linear motion, linear force, as well as rotational force, linear force, rotational force, and the most important, moment of force formula. The topic which I am talking is very important, and it will help you out. The moment of force formula, the torque formula, after moment of force, after that examples also you have to mention the example. Then after it is coming to the equilibrium, equilibrium is derived into two types: static equilibrium as well as the dynamic equilibrium. Children, static equilibrium, you have to mention the example, you have to learn the example, you have to memorize the example. After the children, you have to go after the definition. If I am going so fast, please pause the video and write it down. Please write it down as soon as possible. I am saying you have to write it down, right? Dynamic equilibrium, children, dynamic equilibrium also the same, you have to go on example, as well as you have to go with lots of examples, you have to go with lots of definition, and it will play a vital role for your people. Anti-clockwise, clockwise से क्वेश्चन बनेगा, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज से क्लॉकवाइज से क्वेश्चन बनेगा. क्या बनेगा बच्चों? एंटी क्लॉकवाइज से क्लॉकवाइज से क्वेश्चन बनेगा, न्यूमेरिकल्स में बनेगा, और ये 2 मार्क का आ सकता है. आई एक्सपेक्ट दिस इज कमिंग इन द 2 मार्कर क्वेश्चन. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट चिल्ड्रन, इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक आएगा. दैट मीन्स क्लॉकवाइज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, एंटी क्लॉकवाइज पॉजिटिव और नेगेटिव, इनवर्ड आउटवर्ड, वो सब क्वेश्चन सवाल पूछा जाएंगे. Couples, coming to the couple definition, please children write it down as soon as possible. I am saying so fast, pause the video and write it down. Couple, coming to the couple definition. Remember children, as all the definition is very important for your people. Question पूछा जाएगा, what do you mean by couple? Couple का 4 या 5 options रखा जाएगा. That is all about a definition. You have to tick a correct option, and there also in the option no, not, no, yeah, something will be there, and you people get confused. So please my dear children, just do not ignore a single definition. Single definition will play a vital role for your people. Coming next, equilibrium over. Then after coming to the second, that means entire you have to go entire exercise question example, you have to go you have to just memorize it. After coming next, that is all about the center of gravity. In the center of gravity, the question will be coming in this way, एंड क्वेश्चन पूछा जाएगा, 1 मार्क का पूछा जाएगा उसमें से. लाइक रेक्टेंगल में सेंटर कहाँ बनता है, रेक्टेंगुलर ग्लास में सेंटर कहाँ बनता है, सिलेंडर में सेंटर कहाँ बनता है, लैमिना में कहाँ बनता है, ट्रायंगल में कहाँ बनता है सेंटर. इट इज देयर इन द बुक, कॉमन सेंस बुक. जस्ट गो एंड grab all the opportunities as soon as possible. Then after coming to the third activities, the third exercise is all about children. The third is all about centrifugal force is very important. Distinguish between centripetal and centrifugal force. Which force is real, which force is not real, which force is fictitious, which force is not fictitious. Entire डिफरेंस बिटवीन डिस्टिंग्विश, पांच डिस्टिंग्विश इससे और उससे पढ़ लेना बेटा, इसमें से क्वेश्चन बोलेगा, इसमें से सवाल बनेगा, इसमें से सवाल बनेगा. आई एम नॉट प्रिपेयरिंग ICSE, आई एम नॉट सेइंग डायरेक्टली, आई एम सेइंग द वे आई एम सेइंग एज इफ आई मेड द क्वेश्चन. नो, this is the trending question, this is the trending, the question generally whatever I am saying it comes every year, and every year question come from the exercise question, every year question come from the examples, every year question come from the PYQs, previous year question, and this year will come from the exercise questions. This year also the question will be coming from the example, this year also question will be coming from this only, and it is a trending question, centripetal centrifugal forces, trending questions. Then after coming, you know, let me see the book a little bit of, I have forgotten a bit of, because how can I remember? Centripetal centrifugal force is over something, this is the very important, only do not read a lot, do not read randomly, only the things you have to remember. The distinction is very important, right? Exercise 1A, 1B, 1C, I'm talking about the consonants, everything you have to just go ahead. And determination of center, deleted syllabus, and determination of center of gravity of an irregular lamina, deleted one, right? If you are looking after the new book, new edition book, page number 14, deleted. If you are going to the old version, old book, 12-11 में कुछ होगा ऐसे करके, right? So this is all about the strategy, everything I have said in the chapter number 1. The chapter number 1 is over. Coming to the chapter number 2, work, power and energy. It is a chapter equivalent to the chapter number 4, which is a refraction of a light through a plane surface. Sorry, it is a chapter number 2, work, power and energy. Such kind of chapter, many things are there which you need to learn, many things are there which you need to practice. So starting with a question which I think generally it comes in examination, generally it comes every year, that is cos 90 डिग्री, cos 0 डिग्री, cos थीटा. जब एक बनेगा तो पॉजिटिव या नेगेटिव, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव जीरो कब बनता है? That means when the work is positive, when the work is negative, when the work is zero. Remember children, I think you can remember, you can recall what I am talking about. Cos 0 degree में क्या होता है, cos 0 degree में क्या होता है, 90 degree में क्या होता है, right? These are the question will be coming in the examination hall. Remember this. It is a direct question even. Every sample paper this question comes. Yes. चलो, let us start with an again. Yes. CGS unit, SGS unit. CGS unit, SI unit. CGS unit, SI unit, you cannot compromise CGS unit, SI unit. I cannot compromise CGS unit, SI unit. CGS unit, SI unit का बनता है क्वेश्चन. CGS unit 1 न्यूटन मीटर, कितना डायन सेंटीमीटर होता है, क्या होता है, 10⁻⁷ क्या होता है, that means 980. This type of things you have to elaborate, you have to read it, you cannot scroll it. CGS unit, SI unit important. CGS unit, SI unit से क्वेश्चन बनेगा, 2 तो सवाल बनेगा ही बनेगा, 2 सवाल पक्का बनेगा इसमें से, 2 सवाल. And the question which I am talking, it will be coming in the examination hall, and generally it comes. All right, so let's start the show which must begins with the SI unit, the unit of work, unit of power, unit of energy, unit of work, unit of power, unit of energy. CGS unit megajoule, gigajoule, right? Very important. horsepower, 1 horsepower कितना होता है, कितना watt होता है, these are the things. electron volt, many things you have to go on, and you should not scroll. If you are, again I'm talking about, if you are using a new book, 2 to 3 pages you have to go on reading, 2 to 3 pages. That is if you are reading new edition book, the page number 23, I can say 2.4. work power and unit का 2.4, work power unit का 2.4, I can say 2.6, 2.8, 2.4 से 2.8. You cannot scroll anything. पक्का सब कुछ पढ़ना है इसमें से. You cannot scroll anything because इसमें से सवाल बनेगा. You cannot scroll 2.4 to 2.8. 2.4 to 2.8 is very important in case of work, power and energy. Coming next, you know, and the question again, it is a direct question. PYQ देख लेना बच्चों, इसमें से आता है energy conversion. I have written for us here. Yes, I have written energy conversion, work, power and energy conversion, figure 2.13. Energy conversion, figure 2.13. loudspeaker, okay, loudspeaker, photo cell, electric, many more, right? Photo cell, many more is there. You cannot scroll this. Very, very important topic, I can say that. Dynamo, motor, electric iron, microphone, loudspeaker, these are the things will play a vital role. यहाँ से भी क्वेश्चन बनता है, हर सवाल, हर एग्जाम में यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनता है. Bobs of pendulum highlighted question also. Bobs of pendulum, it is also one of the important question. Work, energy and theorem. This is the things I want to say at the work, power and energy. Apart from that, अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट इन केस ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल्स काइनेटिक एनर्जी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी क्वेश्चन बनेगा, काइनेटिक एनर्जी पोटेंशियल एनर्जी क्वेश्चन बनेगा, बनेगा क्वेश्चन चिल्ड्रन, बनेगा मतलब दैट मींस 2 marker क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग इन दिस वे, द क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग, काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल बी गिवन, पोटेंशियल एनर्जी विल बी गिवन, and their numericals will be equal and you have to find it out, you have to find it out, you have to compare the ratios between them. This type of question will be coming from the kinetic as well potential energy. So these are the things I probably think the question will be coming. Not only I think, but also I have researched all the PYQs I have, and if you want to ignore this you can, but do not ignore exercise question example, because whatever I am saying everything is there in exercise question and example. अगर ये बच्चे whatever I am saying, if you will read those all, everything is there in exercise question and example, but whatever is there in the exercise question and example, if you will read those all also, you can cover up these all points, right? So now let us start the topic with the conservation of energy. In case of conservation of energy, only the Bose pendulum, nothing more, not so highlighted topic it is there inside it. Coming to the simple machine, coming to the simple machine, very very important. Simple machine, mechanical advantage, mechanical advantage greater than 1, mechanical advantage less than 1, mechanical equals to 0, कब gain कब होता है, force multiplier कब होता है, right? These are the things is very important, not only here but also in case of velocity ratio, let VR is less than 1, greater than 1, equals to 0. These are the things. Efficiency का percentage calculate करो, 100% होता है. Idle machine का 100%, total calculate percent, 100% idle machine. These are the things, you know, common things. You have to just go on reading, and you have to understand. This is the concept which I am talking about. If your concept is clear, 40 is a 40 guarantee. No one can cut it. Whatever I am saying is a Tommy things. It's just a things to remember. It's just a things, easy things I can say. Easy things I can say. As well as एफिशिएंसी वर्क पर नथिंग, एक्चुअल मशीन आइडल मशीन, एक्चुअल मशीन आइडल मशीन को थोड़ा थोड़ा देख रहे हैं. एक्चुअल मशीन आइडल मशीन, ओनली लिटिल 2 lines are there. आइडल मशीन only 2 lines, and I hope you can get it. Idle machine, nothing more is there in this. And in the chapter 3 entire, and coming to the pulleys, several pulley, combined pulley, वहां से सवाल बनेगा नहीं बनेगा पता नहीं, मैं पढ़ ही लो, हम बोल रहे हैं. Several machine, definitely they are also having a little bit things, but if I am saying complete these all things, definitely unit 1 will get over. And the most important, do not forget numericals as well as what, children? Exercise. Yes. So before coming to the unit 2, I want to say that the giveaway winner, right? So maximum students are waiting for, sir, giveaway winner कब आएगा? So giveaway winner I gonna that is the Ans Singh. Okay, all right, the Ans Singh, he is from Lucknow if I am not wrong. So Ans Singh, he is the winner, the first Oswaal book SQP sample question paper of ICSE class 10 2021-2022. He is the winner, and definitely the book will reach to your doorstep. As well as children, if see, I am having limited books, right? So I cannot 4 या 5 book ही दे सकता हूँ, ज़्यादा तो नहीं दे सकता मैं. So these are the things. So people, if you want to buy, definitely the link has been given in the description. Oswaal books, one of the finest. I would like to recommend everyone, do purchase it and get all the benefits. sample सवाल भी करा करो, it will help you out. So coming to the chapter number unit 2, lens, light का आता है सवाल जो होता है unit. So light refraction, I cannot say anything about refraction because everything I feel important, but in case of refraction, children, I would like to say not a single, nothing new, nothing typical question they will be asking CISE board. Only the question they will be asking is, I think, is my opinion that एक्सरसाइज से पढ़ेगा, एग्जाम्पल से पढ़ेगा, क्रिटिकल एंगल से सवाल आएगा, टोटल क्रिटिकल एंगल से सवाल आएगा, क्रिटिकल एंगल से सवाल डेफिनेटली बनेगा उसमें. और क्या बनेगा, दैट इज ऑल अबाउट सपोज द स्पीड ऑफ द डायमंड, द स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट इन डायमंड 2.41 इज गिवन, स्पीड ऑफ द लाइट इज गिवन, डायमंड दिया होगा, उसका स्पीड बताओ, मीडियम 2 का मीडियम 1 का स्पीड बताओ, ऐसे सवाल पूछा जाएगा. तो सवाल पूछा जाएगा इसमें न्यूमेरिकल 2 या 3 मार्क का. बट आई वुड लाइक टू से you read it everything I can say that. But in case of lens, only 2 to 3 things very important in case of lens, that is Yuki can and in case of lens, little bit I forgotten, children, just hold on. Yeah, I have got it. Yuki convex lens, इसमें सवाल बनेगा, एक क्वेश्चन बनेगा. Yuki convex lens, Yuki convex concave lens, and maximum students are not reading that the power of lens. Maximum students are not reading the power of lens. I know very well. Maximum students are not reading the power of lens because you might be thinking, sir, this is a deleted syllabus. Yes, it is a deleted syllabus, but in the reduced syllabus also they have been mentioned that उसमें definition आएगा, formula आएगा. फॉर्मूले से बना हुआ छोटा छोटा न्यूमेरिकल आएगा, लंबा लंबा नहीं. तो चिल्ड्रन डू नॉट इग्नोर दिस. डेफिनेशन ऑफ पावर ऑफ लेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट एंड आई कैन एक्सपेक्ट यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनेगा. यहाँ से क्वेश्चन बनेगा. अगर तुम बहुत सोच रहे हो सर यहाँ से बनेगा वहां से बनेगा, तो टोटल सबसे बनेगा क्या? नो, सबसे बनेगा. द क्वेश्चन विच आई हैव सेड और आई एम सेइंग, if you will calculate, it will be near about 20 to 30 number of questions. The question will be expected one. So power of lens, let us start with the power of lens. Definition is very important and the formula is 1 upon f, 1 upon f, 1 upon a meter. अगर सेंटीमीटर हो जाएगा डिवाइडेड बाय, उसके बाद रेसिप्रोकल हो जाता है. याद रखो, just keep inside your mind, right? Maximum people that do wrong in this way. Power of lens equals to P equals to, children, P equals to 1 upon f equals to all about m, right? But what that does, मीटर लिखते नहीं. अगर सेंटीमीटर में सवाल आ गया तो डायरेक्टली ऐसे कर देते. नो, सेंटीमीटर होगा 100 by cm का रहेगा. कुछ समझ में आया? रेसिप्रोकल होता है. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, यू शुड नॉट फॉरगेट रिगार्डिंग इट. नथिंग मोर, ओनली दिस मच यू नीड टू स्टडी. एंड इन केस ऑफ लेंस का तब 4 मार्क का तब बना ही है सवाल. लेंस कन्वेक्स का 5 है. कन्वेक्स इमेज फॉर्मेशन 5 आर गिवन. लास्ट इज 1 is 6 का इमेज बनेगा बैक ऑफ बिहाइंड द लेंस. These are the things you have to go and I cannot help in that. So you have to make the concept clear in case of lens. Image formation as well as concave mirror, convex lens, concave lens का image formation का you have to make yourself strong. And the सवाल भी ऐसे पूछा जाएगा that m equals to 1 होगा तो साइज में का इमेज क्या होगा? सेम साइज, राइट? सो m इज ग्रेटर देन 1 क्या होगा? अगर प्लस में होगा तो मैग्निफिकेशन का कनकेव या कन्वेक्स होगा. माइनस में होगा तो कनकेव या कन्वेक्स होगा. रियल और इन्वर्टेड होगा, माइनस में होगा. m मैग्निफिकेशन आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट. दिस इज द वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. दिस इज द थिंग्स व्हिच विल बी कमिंग इन द एग्जामिनेशन ऑन. कमिंग टू द स्पेक्ट्रम चिल्ड्रन. स्पेक्ट्रम in case of visible light का remember this the question will be coming this. and in case of spectrum सवाल हमेशा पूछा आता, दैट इज अ कलर, राइट? वॉलेट में बैंड्स द मोस्ट, रेड द लीस्ट. इन केस ऑफ विजिबल लाइट, विजिबल हम जब देख सकते हैं, इनमें से विजिबल लाइट में वॉलेट द मोस्ट, वॉलेट बैंड्स द मोस्ट, रेड द लीस्ट. इन ग्लास के अंदर जब चला आता है, इन केस ऑफ ग्लास वॉलेट बैंड द लीस्ट, रेड द मोस्ट. इन दिस टाइप ऑफ द थिंग्स द क्वेश्चन विल बी कमिंग. वेवलेंथ इक्वल्स टू एंगस्ट्रॉम, राइट? वेवलेंथ का होता है एंगस्ट्रॉम. वेवलेंथ का कितना? वॉलेट में कितना? 8000. तो इन केस ऑफ विजिबल लाइट वॉलेट इक्वल्स टू 8000 एंगस्ट्रॉम, रेड इक्वल्स टू 4000 एंगस्ट्रॉम. इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, आर यू गेटिंग ऑन? दिस आर द थिंग्स. एंड इलेक्ट्रोवॉलेट रेडिएशन, इंफ्रारेड रेडिएशन, एक एक पैराग्राफ है, पढ़ लेना. एक एक पैराग्राफ. इलेक्ट्रोवॉलेट रेडिएशन, दैट हु propounded it, who discovered it, something J refer or J refer. I have forgotten, shit, how can I forget यार? J Ritter, प्रोफेसर J Ritter 1801. इन्फ्रारेड में विलियम हेल्सन. ऑल राइट, इफ आई एम नॉट, लेट मी सी लिटिल बिट. या हर्सल, विलियम हर्सल 1800. दिस आर द थिंग्स. एंड इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक रेडिएशन कितना होता है? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. छोटा छोटा साउंड में ऑडिबल रेंज ऑफ द फ्रीक्वेंसी 20 हर्ट्ज से 20,000 हर्ट्ज. 20,000 से कम होता है तो क्या होता है? 20,000 से ज्यादा होता है तो क्या होता है? 20 से कम होता है तो क्या? 20 से कम होता है तो इंफ्रासोनिक, 20 से ज्यादा होता है अल्ट्रासोनिक. दिस आर द थिंग्स. लाइट वेव, साउंड वेव, एकोस. एकोस से डेफिनेशन भी अच्छा, यू हैव टू रीड फॉर द एकोस. एकोस डेफिनेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू कीप इनसाइड योर माइंड. एंड फॉर्मूला से एकोस का 2 मार्क का सवाल बनेगा. How dolphin detect their enemy? How dolphin detect their enemy in case of echoes? ये वाला favorite question of the board examination ICSE. Please do read it out. And example 7A. All the example and all the exercises of 7A from the conscience and reverbation. These are the things which I need to say, which I have said, which I thought that this video will help you out. If this video video is helping you out, kindly do share with your friends. And again I am sharing. Again I'm talking, I talked in the middle. Again I'm saying that the winner of the giveaway, the first giveaway book is Ansh Singh. He belonged to Lucknow. He belonged to Lucknow, right? So do not worry, beta. So the book will be reaching to your doorstep as soon as possible. So if you are looking after the video, please do comment in the comment section. and thank you very much. Coming strong in the next session. Please do not ignore, and I hope you have written everything in the copy and pen. If yes, go ahead. Just go ahead, and nothing more I want to say. Just go ahead and practice all those, and whatever I have said here, everything is there in your exercise question, example question, exercise example. अगर पढ़ लोगे ये सब हो जाएगा automatic. Thank you very much. So signing off for the today. See you next.